Thanks for watching the Dr. Gilmore page. Check out the link below for Meta 7.
Okay, so we're with Brad. How's it going, bud?
Doing well. How about you?
Good. So you came in, you were having some back pain, what, about a week ago or so?
Yes, sir.
All right, but you didn't really have a mechanism. You didn't fall off a ladder, roll out of the back of the
Right.
truck.
It's been an ongoing process for quite a while.
Okay, and so we started you on some medication, some physical therapy. We got that ordered, and we did an X-ray, right?
Yes.
All right, and so we called you with your X-ray findings, but there was a little bit of lost in translation, let's say.
Correct.
The condition you have, Brad, is spondylolisthesis.
Okay.
All right. And so I'm going to take you back and show you what spondylolisthesis looks like on the X-rays to help you understand what's going on with your low back and why you're feeling the pain.
Perfect.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
And you're okay if we video this for your
Sure. Absolutely.
you know, for our friends on YouTube and
Sure.
okay? Let's go. All right, so here we go. This is you.
Okay.
All right, and this is your back, right? This will be the tailbone down here.
Okay.
And this is your lumbar spine.
Okay.
Now your lumbar spine actually looks pretty good. All right, this would be L1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then this is the S1, the sacral, first sacral vertebrae. And the sacrum usually fuses, okay?
Okay.
But if you look right here, there's something not quite normal. You see how that looks?
I do.
You see how that looks like it's shifted. This vertebral body is actually posterior compared to this sacral.
Right. Looks like
Looks
it's
more
sitting on
anterior. So spondylolisthesis basically means a slipping of one vertebral body as compared to the other. It also generally indicates that you have a problem with the disc right there. Okay. So in order for this to be moved as much as it is, and I don't, you know, there's a grading system for this, and I don't do that, but I would say this is probably a grade 2 if I did grade them. In order for this to be that far apart in this area, you have to imagine there's most likely going to be some kind of disc problem, a bulging, maybe a small herniation or protrusion of the disc. So when you finished your therapy, if you're not feeling a lot better, then you know we have to do the 1 month period where we try conservative care now before insurance companies will approve the MRI. So most likely you're an MRI candidate, and if you're not doing a lot better when we get done with the therapy, we'll get an MRI ordered.
Okay.
But this what spondylolisthesis is, and that's what that term means. And you can see why that's probably causing you some nerve pains, because the areas where the nerves exit are probably being compressed. That's right. All right, Brad, thanks for letting us video your discussion.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
With our friend and sharing with our friends on YouTube.
Hey folks, you spoke and we listened. Here's what you had to say about Meta 7.
I love it so much. It gives me so much energy during the day.
I've noticed a change in my hair, my nails, my blood pressure.
There's no doubt that it's a benefit to me. It gives me more stamina.
And it can actually help you lose weight.
Now, I haven't taken a nap in 6 months.
That's right, Meta 7. More and more people are sending in their testimonials. Weight loss, more energy, and generally feeling more alert during the day. Let's hear more.
I used it to help wean myself off caffeine and energy drinks, and my productivity has been very high lately.
It's natural, it's amazing. I feel motivated to get out and do things that I didn't before.
I'm not tired during the day. I've worked 12-hour shifts.
Just go, go, go all day. It makes me feel great. I love it. And take it. It's wonderful stuff.
If you haven't tried Meta 7 yet, it's time to order yours from Amazon. Time to boost your metabolism and kick your energy level into high gear. There's an Amazon link in the description.